Welcome to another CMD tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check your IP address from CMD. Alright, first up, just go ahead and type in the search bar CMD and go ahead and click on Run as Administrator. There will be a pop-up, just click on Yes. Down here, I'm just going to maximize this one. Just type in ipconfig. Alright, and once done, just hit on Enter. Alright, as you can see here, I only have one section because I only use my Ethernet to connect to the internet. Alright, if you have Ethernet adapter right here or Wi-Fi adapter, and some other stuff, even Teredo, all right, you'll be able to see that in here. As you can see, under IPv4 address, there you have your IP. If you have IPv6 listed in here as well, that's great. But this is basically what you're looking for, all right? The stuff that has the address in it, that's your IP. You'll have your subnet mask here as well, your default gateway. Now, if you type in ipconfig/all, hit enter, there you have a ton of information about your internet, all right? The host name, primary DNS suffix, node, proxy, connection-specific DNS right here, the physical address, and the DNS service that is used. All right, that's basically how we check our IP address using CMD. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.